We're doing it on the Nexus. Okay, I'm ready. Everybody ready up? Let's go, duel. This is a tag versus God damn it.
Haha.
What is a tag?
And by the way, when I get first turn, it's never good. Shit hand. You know, I bricked, kinda.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's first.
I can't. It's Ash Blossom.
Wait,
They have Ash Blossom in their hand.
This deck is nasty.
what does this guy do? Don't your main. What? What are you trying to do with
No,
this guy?
don't ash that. No.
Vision Hero increase. Just lets me summon a Vion. Vision Hero Vion. Then it lets me destroy. It lets me destroy a monster, which I'll do Shadow Mist, then bring out a card to my hand. That's all it is.
Okay.
Yeah, let him have that.
And you can't even do that anyway. You can't even activate his effect since he wasn't special summon. I can't do anything.
Start with a perfect deck.
Alright.
My whole hand. No, my hand's bricked. This ain't perfect. Unknown.
His hand
Terrible.
Yeah, me
I mean,
too,
like,
dude.
Like you have one of the. Or is it because you have
Oh,
so
summon
few
Mo.
cards that you
Go to
get the
battle.
card easily?
I'm gonna attack your Vision Hero increase.
Yay! Attack! Attack!
Oh, what the heck was that?
He
Dynatag?
needs that. He needs that in the graveyard to go into his place. He's setting up.
Oh, okay, well, I'll do it now. Call by the graveyard, Dynatag.
Which one?
Maybe
You did
that
the
was...
wrong one.
Yeah,
You did the wrong one.
What?
No,
Oh.
you
Yeah.
still-
Vision Hero increase.
no, you
That's
still good. You still good. You still good. You still.
Either one was a good one to destroy. Either one was
Either
gonna.
one is good. You're still good.
I banished
I
that.
just had my setup perfectly
Oh,
for
you
me.
should you should have
Hey,
set
let me
that.
help you. Hey, let me help you with this because I'm gonna make sure you don't.
You should have set that.
Let me
card.
read it. Your field spell. Activate that.
Yeah, I was going to, but I didn't know if you wanted.
Yeah, activate that.
Second. Hey!
I do this.
Said to double deck.
I do Dest.
You guys are both
all the
using
way
Destiny Heroes?
Yeah.
I don't play mine's not Destiny's. Mine's Vision, and Destiny.
Oh no,
Mine's
man.
mine's a
The
combination.
same thing. We're using
Same.
two different.
Heroes.
Which one do I do?
No,
You set the the trap.
Whatever feels right.
You wanna set the level 3.
so if I use Eldritch Darkmatica and he used
You know, I
Eldritch,
actually get summoned. Crap.
that's different? I ain't
You
know
can
that.
you can summon the big boys.
They both double decking.
The hell this guy do
like,
wants to...
can you just play it out however you're gonna play it out? That's basically all I gotta say.
That's a bad hand, and that's a bad. Who uses a field spell for heroes? That's hella old school.
It's really good though. This is actually really good for me. Remember, Destroy Phoenix is a Destiny hero. It gains extra 1,000 attack at battle calculation. So technically, it's going to be a 4,500 attack monster after I set it up on field correctly.
Oh, that's Dark City. I thought it was the hero one.
I mean,
When a Destiny hero monster attacks, if the attack is lower than the attack of the target during the attacking monster gains 1,000 attack during damage calculation only.
Damn, that's
That's how
18.
it's like I demonstrated.
Alright, finish him. Finish him.
So you can't do 15,001. His deck that he usually plays, if I'm correct, he can't do 15,000.
Call by
get rid
the
of vision?
grave.
Oh, thank you.
Did I actually?
If you can stop that, stop that. Yeah, if you can stop that, stop that.
Wait, no, I hit the wrong button.
Fuck. That was my vision hero. I needed that for later.
That was shotgun. Shotgunning call by?
Wait,
Okay.
oh,
In
okay.
phase 1?
Crap. Wait, I might actually have that one in my deck. I just don't know where.
I have it. I have a second one. I have spares.
Your deck is like a double-edged
Yeah.
sword. You know, with the Dogmatica.
Yes, it is.
Do I activate?
Let me read. He's playing. Oh, okay, he's playing this one.
Do I activate?
Yeah, activate. He's trying to pull out a monster. Go ahead.
What did that do?
Go ahead, negate.
Oh.
Target 1, destroy. That does not negate. Wild Tornado does not negate.
Wait, it doesn't?
Because I can
Yeah.
set. If I set a card, I can negate. Oh, trap card.
Negate spells and
Whoa.
traps.
You were still able to do on a Dear Servant? Yeah, that the Wild Tornado does not negate. Target 1 face up spell trap. In the spell trap zone, destroy it. If that face up card, what? Destroy that face up card.
Oh, I took out the right one.
Its controllers set 1 spell trap from their hand. If the set card is destroyed and set to their
You took out
graveyard,
the
you can
wrong
target 1
one.
face up card in the field and destroy
Wait,
that
did you
target.
set down that card in the middle?
Yeah.
No. You
I
set
did.
that down.
Storming
Okay.
Mirror Force.
Set it on your first turn.
We should be fine. If I get my hand next turn, we should be fine. If I draw 1 card,
Khaleesi.
then I should be able to combo into
Who was
Destroy
that?
Phoenix Enforcer.
Maximus. Banishing Entis. Or summon Maximus in
Don't you have
defense.
6 level 6 or whatever? Is that why you
Maximus
got
effect.
level 3?
This is where I should have played my other deck. That he's playing this deck.
One, two. Who was that? Oh,
Who's this?
Apkalone. An Ash Dragon. Oh.
Power. I need power.
I completely braked at the beginning though with my hand.
You have a
Oh.
monster reborn.
Dual
That's
shop.
not mine though. That's not mine though. We're good.
No, but it's mine.
It's gonna add that
Yeah, I
chisel.
know. I could get that back on the field. That's what I'm saying
We
though.
can summon it.
Yep.
You have monsters in the graveyard now that I could use
Then
to
discard 1 card.
do what I needed.
Oh. Oh no, you should have did the Nail Shadal Aerial. You should have discarded the Nail Shadal Aerial. That's okay. He's
Why
not
you
gonna be. Cause he has a Phoenix Enforcer in the grave. Oh wait, never mind.
Oh,
That's the wrong person's Phoenix Enforcer in the grave.
That's okay. Shit.
I'm the scary one when it comes to Phoenix Enforcer. I play that for a living.
Fleur de Lis.
Heroes are my thing.
Oh, special summoning.
Special summon, he's gonna special summon.
Oh, you
Yeah.
should have added to hand.
yeah.
This kind of set me out. I could kind of do something here. Maybe.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, I'm good. I got what I needed done.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
You should activate
Yeah,
Either way,
Schism now. Yeah.
even if you negate this, I'm still gonna get at what I want.
Sure about
Getting at
that?
What I want.
Come on, let's get window.
Because I already destroyed the monster I need to destroy to get another one on the field, then make Miracle Fusion into destroy Destiny Phoenix. I'm just gonna bring out a Vion increase, which is gonna just, Keep my
You're
malicious
done
here.
your special summoning. You can only special summon
monsters
once
attack.
with window.
Yeah, I realized that. And
Each
plus I
player
break out
can
the
only
beginning.
special summon monsters once per turn while this card is face up on the field.
Vinda?
Nah.
I got this. We're
Oh
good.
no.
That's sadly not a Destiny hero, or else I would have had that. I'm gonna play my other deck next turn. That doesn't require special. I mean, this is why I
my
don't play special
God.
summon deck.
Me and him teaming up.
Hey, what card makes it?
Hold on,
when
you guys.
You only can.
Hold on. Wait, check this out, guys. Fusion
Hey,
Destiny.
The card.
Oh my god.
Mm.
Yeah, I might as well just scoot. Oh my god.
There's no point anyways. It can't even actually fix.
Yugioh or Yugioh Shogun.
Imagine playing Destroy Phoenix Enforcer in a deck that doesn't even beat heroes. That's like
Should I
game
activate
players
this?
playing it in not even edition deck.
Yeah, I'll activate this.
But no one cares.
Activate, destroy
Fuck
the
that.
vision hero increase. It goes back to my thing. Gets set back on my equip spell. Second
I
effect
don't need
activates.
this guy. Or this guy.
Oh, you're gonna give. I don't need this guy, or I don't need
Oh shit.
this guy.
Oh,
Hey, yo,
oh, thank God.
I get another pop.
What is this?
I get another pop. I appreciate that. Leave him.
Omega.
No, don't activate him.
Omega. Who am I gonna get? Is that mine?
Soul, if I get the right card, I can stop their Enforcer Phoenix if we have to.
Oh,
We don't need to stop them for sure. It's
I'll
the
get
window
this
that
guy
we need to
back.
take care of. Window's stopping me
What?
from playing my deck the way I need to.
It's the what?
Window.
Window.
Window stops
Where's
everybody.
I'm putting them all in attack. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay.
Oh, window.
Yeah, that's cool. Good.
Go ahead.
Make sure you say yes to my Dark Manicum card. Let's go action. So yes to it.
There you go.
You're gonna increase 500 each.
And they stay like
Yeah.
that.
Permanent 500
like-
attack boost.
Yes,
Vision
permanent.
increase on here for you.
Okay.
Every time.
You have Shadow Mist in your deck, right?
Who, me?
Can't even do that because of fucking window. You know, I'm playing my other deck after this.
When to stop?
I'm gonna like.
When to
Oh
stop?
yeah, I know that's why I'm gonna play. Yeah, that's why I'm gonna play my other deck that doesn't require any special summoning.
Window couldn't hold it down. What you mean? It's normal.
Window will not hold down. Window will not hold down my deck that I'm about to play. That's time.
Okay. Okay. I mean,
We can 1v1 even to. We can 1v1 even to confirm it. So there's no like in between of it.
No, that's cool. You feel like unknown is holding you back.
Summon Twin Twister, the back row.
Twin Twister the back row? I'm just gonna get my trap card back. You know that, right?
You want me to use on
Yeah, I
that
know.
one?
Use Twin Twister and hit both of their back rows, and get rid of the double dude.
Oh no, that hurt. So I'm just gonna get it right back.
I know. Then let me check the graveyard and let me check your fucking.
Let's
It's-
try
I'm
not
not gonna be
swearing
here.
on video, guys. I know it's hard.
Hey, that's my lifestyle. That's where I get all my. That's
Yeah.
how I keep calm.
Don't swing.
Okay, there you go. Yeah, I got you. I'll
Can't do
calm it down. Demonetization doesn't happen until you hit 1,000 subscribers. I don't know how much subscribers you have, but just like no.
But you can say other words like fart, you know.
Yeah, no. There's really nothing I can do here. I braked at the beginning.
You can say, oh, fart. You know. Oh, rabbits.
Yeah, I might as well
We-
go like this.
We were
Dang.
too busy
I'm gonna
work-
pop itself, and I'm gonna pop
trying to
your
deal
back
with
row.
their stuff.
That's what she said.
You
Branded
need to pop
opening?
back row.
What branded
It's a
opening
miracle
do?
fusion.
What branded opening do? What?
Talking to me?
Branded opening graveyard, yes?
Oh, bandit opening? Let me see.
No, don't do that. He needs it in his deck. Probably.
No, yeah, I'm not gonna do that.
That's something for his deck, not yours. Like I'm gonna
Enforcers,
help you even
yes.
as your opponent.
Bandit opening protects a fusion monster from being destroyed.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay, yeah. So you could have destroyed it. See, look, I'm gonna use it. Watch. See, watch. Boom.
Wait, what happened to my turn? I thought I go after that one dude. Oh, never mind, never mind. We're good, we're good, we're good.
And it open and see. That's what it
Damn.
Then go in for the kill, then we refresh the link. Battle.
Finish it.
does. It kills. It kills.
All Dogmatic gain 500 permanent attack.
Yeah.
Due
that's about
to
hand.
Dogmatic of Fleur-de-Lis, the Knighted.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, I had
Our
such a
team
bad hand. You wanna know what my
wins.
opening hand was? You wanna know what my opening hand was?
What?
Not really.
All monsters that don't have effects that can't chain.
All vanilla monsters.
Yeah, basically, they don't chain with each other. So it wasn't like my Ferris. I can't open with Ferris into Destiny Heroes.
Alright, thank you RJ, Scary Soul, and Unknown Duelist for the tag. And
Can you
comment,
refresh the link, please?
comment, share, like if you sub it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.